We are at the Ideas Visualise here at Africa Tech Festival 2024, and the artist in question is Mongiseni Dube. Tell us what we are seeing.
So this is a collage of what has been shared from last year. So what we did is we took the time to engage with the audience, take a couple of images, and then what we did is we put together the main topic, which was what's the future of Africa for ourselves, especially in the urban context, what should it look like? And then we took the time to recreate it, paint it out. We worked with normal painting, then moved into tech using our tablets, etc. But the whole idea was now we're giving it back to the audience this year for them to put their new narrative for next year.
And what has been that narrative for 2024?
It's been a lot around inclusion, especially on the AI side. Creating AI that actually is serving us as Africans, that actually knows how to identify us, speak our language, knows who we are, and we know at the moment that's something that's not yet there. So us actually taking ownership of this very early would be quite key, and seeing how we start to implement this in all our different businesses. And I saw most people started off without AI, now they've also moved into AI. I've also got a tech startup over there where we create remote learning devices. Before we also didn't have AI, but now this year we already also have an AI system inside. Why? Because we want to be able to make sure that our students that use the devices are able to be understood and the language is able to be understood from the teacher's side and down from the student's end.
Fantastic. I'll be adding my name just there at the foot of the African continent. Thank you very much, Wongsen. Thank you very much.